Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to talk about a problem that might arise on Windows Defender from time to time. I had this problem, and actually this is one of the possible fixes. So basically try this. Chances are it's going to fix your problem. If it doesn't, well, there are other things you can check for. But this is one fix of many possibilities to fix Windows Defender. So what happens is you see that there's a little red icon on your shield of Windows Defender or Windows Security in Windows 10. And when you go, you see that virus and threat protection is stopped, and it actually has a button to restart now. Problem is you click and it gives you an error message that it just had an error and can't start. So what do? You got to re-register for DLL files. This is one possibility. If it doesn't work for you, it's possible that it's broken for some other reason. There are multiple reasons why it can break. So what do? You go in the Cortana search type CMD. You should have the command prompt. You can right click on the command prompt and run it as administrator. Or you can, of course, in Windows 10 October 2018 update, you have the run as administrator. It's very important to run as administrator. So what you want to do is type REGSVR, so register service 32 space ATL.DLL. It should tell you succeeded. Then you restart again. REGSVR SVR32 space WUAPI.DLL. Succeeded. Another command, REGSVR32 space softpub.DLL. Succeeded. And finally, REGSVR32 space MSSIP32.DLL. They all should succeed if you actually type them correctly. Once this is done, go into your start button and into restart. Click restart button and let it restart. It might actually tell you that it's actually updating something following the registering. And once that is done, well, hopefully the shield is back at the little green check mark and the virus and threat protection is running again without any issues. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.